Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best electric scooters with seat that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Horizon Lightweight Power Mobility Scooter Wheelchair. When shopping for the electric scooters with seats, always consider the type of seat included. This is a perfect selection of a scooter that has a wider comfy seat that offers great comfort for the riders. The powerful unit offers a great speed of 28 km per hour thanks to the heavy-duty motor and, therefore, a selection you never want to miss. More interestingly, the scooter has a total of 4 large off wheels, making it a pick that will serve you better. The unit comes with a high-capacity battery that provides a longer runtime. Also, the scooter is built using the highest quality of carbon steel frames. Due to this, it is highly durable and can support up to 330 pounds. It comes in multiple colors for elementary selection of a unit that will serve you better. Moving on at number 4, we have the TravelScoot 35 pounds lightest folding scooter with seat. This is another excellent pick of electric scooter with a seat that you will find a favorite for your ride. The unit has a wider cushioned padded seat that will guarantee the comfy needed. Again, it features sturdy back support, hence brings about comfy. Other than this, it has 3 wheels that move easily on every terrain. More interestingly, the scooter has a lightweight compact design and, therefore, convenient to store. The unit has a rear-wheel drive that provides better ride and speed. The product has a powerful lithium-ion battery that will guarantee a longer runtime. The electric scooter has 3 off-road wheels that allow for easy maneuverability on every surface. The good thing is that the unit has adjustable handlebars for easy positioning of the scooter. The unit has a powerful motor that brings about excellent speed. The scooter is built using the highest quality of aircraft-grade aluminum material that brings about extended use plus makes it lightweight to carry. At number 3, we have the Xiaofu folding electric scooter with seat 350W. When you need a comfy and reliable electric scooter with seat, here is a pick that you don't want to miss. This quality scooter has a powerful 350W motor that delivers an amazing speed. The product has 2 larger wheels that allow for better maneuverability on every surface. The product is very sturdy and stable thanks to the rugged built using heavy-duty material, hence it can support the weight of most users. Again, the scooter has an ergonomic large seat that provides maximum comfy for the riders. The scooter has a built-in rechargeable battery that provides longer runtime, and with the headlight LED light, it is a pick that you can safely ride at night. At number 2, we have the VIVE 3-wheel mobility scooter with charger. Do you need a comfy electric scooter that will provide excellent comfort when riding? This is a pick of an electric scooter that has an extra wider seat to provide exceptional comfort. The unit has a wider cushion seat that will suit all users. Apart from this, the scooter has 3 off-road wheels that can easily maneuver on every surface. More interestingly, the unit comes in a wide range of colors for easy selection of what suits you better. Also, the unit has been equipped with a carrying basket, which means that you can carry what you need when riding. This also makes it a pick that you can use for shopping. And finally at number 1, we have the Razor Pocket Mod Miniature Electric Scooter. Featuring 12 inches larger pneumatic tires, the unit easily moves on every surface. Because of this, you will find it a great unit that will suit your riding needs. Second to this, the scooter has an ergonomic design thanks to the rugged build. More interestingly, the unit is fitted with an extra-large seat that provides exceptional comfy when riding. The unit has an excellent braking system, thus a pick that you can rely on for top-notch services. Also, the scooter has a colorful finish and with a weight capacity of 170 pounds, it is a pick that will suit kids and youths. The scooter also has a built-in rechargeable battery for a longer runtime. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.